What is Smoky Mountain nature travel? It's freedom. It's definitely adventure. My name is Beth Johnson, and I live and work here in the Smoky Mountains. I love adventure, but I do not want to pay a lot of money for it. I really don't want to pay anything for it at all. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. I created a system that allows you to budget travel, especially in the Smoky Mountains National Park, and not spend a lot of money for it. If you want to learn how to budget travel and see the Smoky Mountains without paying a ton of cash, please take the time to like my Facebook page, the Smoky Mountain Nature Travel Facebook page, my Instagram page, and my YouTube. And I will show you how.